welcome back to Jude's Tuesday Tip. It's been a few weeks, but we're glad to be back. Today we are going to make me and my dad's special peanuts. This is the secret about them. You can't tell anybody of your friends. If you're doing this for like a social distancing, you probably put 2 cups of roasted peanuts. You're gonna put lime juice in, just one whole lime. And then you're gonna squeeze it on. You have to take your spoon, as any size, maybe 10 inches, and 1 inch around. Then you gotta mix it up so all the juice can get on all the peanuts. Then you put 2 teaspoons of chili lime seasoning blend. See? And if you don't have this and you use something else, it won't go good. Get those peanuts up. Bottom, mix them around from the other ones. And if it doesn't go on all your peanuts and you have a large bowl, just get a little more.
Don't touch your mouth.
These are good. Here's a tip. Always make these 5 minutes before social distance party or whatever you're gonna have, or birthday party, because they get soggy if you put them in just for 30 minutes or something. See ya, and I think I'll see you next week on Jude's Tuesday Tip. Bye-bye.